world and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade face mask. Why do we need to make our own face masks? I'll tell you. The healthcare field has an extreme shortage of supplies, and as normal citizens we need to help alleviate the pressure. We need to stop buying up surgical masks. Stop it. Those need to be reserved for the healthcare professionals that are fighting COVID-19 on the front lines. Those nurses and doctors who are directly exposed to this thing need the surgical grade protection. As a normal citizen, as a normal individual, if we practice safe social distancing, staying at home as much as possible, and using homemade face masks when going into generally populated areas like the grocery store, we will be fine. Also, wash your hands, little nasties. Today's mask is going to be made out of two simple things: an old t-shirt and two elastic hair ties. Alrighty, let's get started. Grab your t-shirt, a pair of scissors, pins, a pattern, and two hair ties. Start by laying your pattern onto the t-shirt and pinning it to the material. We're going to cut along the outer edge, leaving about 1/4 of an inch on all sides. There you go. Now you're going to repeat a second time. I just used the completed fabric. I pinned it to the t-shirt again, and I cut around. You'll end up with 4 pieces. Stack each one into 2 pairs, and I pinned them together again. As you get more experienced, you won't have to pin them. You can just do it freehand. What you're going to do is you're going to sew along the 3 sides that are not the longest curved side. The longest curved side is reserved for when you put them together. Cut any extra material you see, and repeat on the second piece. Take both pairs and shamash them together. And then sew along the long curved edge. Stay as close to the edge as possible and trim off any extra material. And now you combine them. Next we're going to do the hair loopies, the ear loopies. Cut the hair ties in half. You're going to attach them on the sides of the mask. In 2 locations. Repeat on the other side. That's it. It'll take about 10 minutes and you got a mask for you. An entire t-shirt will probably make about 4 masks, so cover your family with 1 shirt. Not bad. You guys don't have to use a t-shirt for these masks. You can use other fabrics. Fun patterns. As long as it's 100% real cotton, you're covered. I've had a lot of time on my hands with this quarantine, so I've been making a lot of face masks that I've been giving to my friends, to my family, people like that. I've also been making a lot more additional ones that I'm going to donate to the local homeless shelter. If you have the skills and the materials and the time, I highly suggest you do this as well. The homeless population is often overlooked, and a lot of times they don't have the tools to fight a virus like this one. They're highly exposed. So if you guys don't have the skills or don't want to sew or don't have the materials, there are other ways to support the masks effort that is going across the entire world. My friend Kevin, who lives in LA, has a 3D printer, and him and a couple of his friends have actually been printing with their printers surgical grade face shields. These are being accepted by hospitals. They cost about 80 cents to make. I'm going to link his page in the description as well. Please visit that and consider donating to him. It's very, 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 very important. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit subscribe. And please stay home, stay healthy, stay smart, and I will see you next time.